If you've ever researched the different bucket seats that can be installed into an S2000, you know that the process can be daunting. There are tons of aftermarket seats on the market, but most of them won't fit the S2000 without some degree of modification. Wider seats simply won't fit at all due to the way the transmission tunnel widens towards the front of the car. But the most common fitment problem is that the seats will either hit the door panel or prevent the center console door from opening. I personally wanted a seat that would require zero modification to the interior panels since I was putting the seat into a Club Racer. I spent hours and hours looking at seats from various brands and took every opportunity to sit in other people's seats. I even bumped into Zygreen at a track day and talked to him about his recently installed Sparco seat. Eventually, I came to the conclusion that there were only two viable options that would fit in a stock S2000. So I met up with my friend Devil on the toge to compare and contrast the two most popular options, Recaro Pole Positions and Bride Vios 3s. Both the Recaro Pole Position and Bride Vios 3 are FIA certified, start at around $1,000, are made of fiber reinforced plastic, and come in a wide variety of colors. When you glance at the seats, you'll notice that the Pole Positions have a black back, while the Vios 3 have a sparkling silver back. With regards to the fabric, the Pole Positions have a single material covering the entire seat, while the Vios 3 has a more durable patch sewn in above the shoulders to protect against wear from the OEM seatbelt. When you actually sit in the seats, you'll quickly notice an immediate difference around your hips and your shoulders. The Vios 3 hip support is much tighter than the Pole Position, and the leg support is much taller than the Pole Position. I think that anyone with a waist size greater than 32 inches wouldn't be able to fit into a Vios 3 and would be much comfier in a Pole Position. If you're the type of person whose knees get sore from bracing against the door panel during a track day, you might be better served by the Bride seat. When it comes to the shoulder support, the Pole Position is much more supportive than the Vios 3. The Pole Position wings really wrap around your shoulders and curve them forwards. You can really see the difference by looking at how much clearance the Pole Positions provide with the door panel and the glove box. If you're the type of person whose arms and wrists get sore from steering during a track day, you might be better served by a Recaro seat. As you can see, both the Pole Position and the Vios 3 are a great seat for the S2000, but they both have their strengths and weaknesses. If you have a bucket seat installed in your S2000, let me know how it fits in the comments down below. And as always, smash that subscribe button if you'd like to see more.